Now is the time to discover 3 Things Live. A whole new season is set to launch on Monday, September 15th.
3 Things Live is a lifestyle show that is at the center of a community of creative people just like you.
This show consists of 3 segments we affectionately call Theme 1, 2, and 3.
Theme 1 is something to make you smile. This could include mental and physical health, gardening, funny stories, family, food, and so much more.
Theme 2 is something to learn. Each day, we bring you a tutorial to raise your creative confidence.
Theme 3 is something to discover. This could be something that added new perspectives, news, how we create, trends, upcoming events, or new techniques, and we share our discoveries with you.
So watch live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern. You belong here.
Let's go!